For the Cashew rice, I've taken 1 cup of long grain basmati rice. This is a 250 ml cup. Wash the rice a couple of times, pour enough water and soak it for about 30 minutes. So now we're going to cook the rice. I've boiled some water to cook the rice. Add about 3 teaspoons of salt. Add the soaked basmati rice. Now I'm adding all the whole spices: cinnamon, clove, cardamom, star anise, bay leaf, and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Add a teaspoon of ghee. Just add a few mint leaves. Add a few coriander leaves. So just mix everything. Cook the rice till it's about 90% done. The rice is about 90% cooked. I'm going to strain it. So strain the rice and keep it aside. Now we're going to deep fry the cashew nuts. To a pan, pour enough oil for deep frying. Once the oil is a little hot, gently drop in the cashew nuts. Deep fry them. Once they come to a lovely golden brown color, remove the cashew nuts and keep it aside. Wow, look at those golden brown cashew nuts. They look so crispy and crunchy. To the mixer jar, add 5 green chilies chopped, a few cloves of garlic chopped, a large piece of ginger chopped, everything together. So the ginger, garlic and green chili paste is done. Keep this aside. So next I'm going to cook the ginger, garlic and green chili paste. To a pan, add about 2 teaspoons of oil. Add the ground paste. Cook till all the raw smell goes and it turns to a nice golden color. To this I'm going to add about half cup of milk. This is boiled and cooled milk. We're going to cook the milk along with the masala paste just for about a minute. So once the milk starts bubbling, turn off the stove, remove it and keep it aside. So now we're going to place the rice on dum. Heat a tawa. Take a nice deep pot. Pour about 2 to 3 teaspoons of ghee. Next add the cooked basmati rice. Just gently spread it. Now pour the masala milk mixture onto the rice. Now gently drop in all the roasted cashew nuts. Top it off with about 2 to 3 handfuls of fried onions. Close the pot and leave it on dum for about 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, close the pot and leave it on dum for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you can see the rice looks absolutely gorgeous. All the flavors are infused. It's a very mild and very flavorful Cashew rice, that is the cashew nut rice or the cashew nut pulao, and you can enjoy it with any side dish of your choice. This is very quick and easy to make, and those of you who love cashew nuts are going to just absolutely enjoy this dish.